Hey, good morning. We're here for our patient this morning. She's with Premium Care Kids, which is our foundation to help children born with cleft lip and cleft palate. So her name's Valentina. She's 3 years old. She had a cleft lip repair by Operation Smile in Bogota. They did a great job, and then she's going to have second stage a little closer to home here in Cartagena. So today, we're going to fix her palate. In addition to a cleft lip, she was born with a hole in the roof of her mouth.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger.
Valentina, after these 2 operations, is a completely normal kid, that the cleft is out of her life, and that she can grow and learn and have fun, develop herself to her best potential. Pleasure helping her. Pleasure helping her family. Please support Premium Care Kids.